If you know how your house can get after a long week of activities, then this video is for you. Let's do a Sunday reset and get our place together.
It's Christmas.
You're fighting it wrong. Well, I just can't see how to fight it any other way. You better learn that let you go. You can't be mad because your ex walked out with your best friend. Ooh. This problem was sent by the enemy to take me out because there's something inside of me that when I open my mouth, mountains move. Luke 1:37 says, what does it say? For nothing will be impossible with you.
Hey y'all, if you're new here, it's Jane Adari, and usually on Sundays I start off the day by watching church. I haven't found a church home here in Jersey yet, so I usually just watch Real Talk Them on YouTube and make my breakfast while I do that. Today we're doing pancakes, eggs, and sausage.
I've been watching you.
Okay, so in terms of cleaning up, I just like to clean everything, starting with my living room and just reorganizing things.
Are you responsible?
I use Windex to clean any of my glass surfaces and tables besides my kitchen table.
I've been watching you.
I used to not be a dishwasher girl, but now I love them. They're so much quicker.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it. You're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. What are you so
fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't home is sorry. They say conversation through the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
I like to straighten up my work area after a long week of work just to get that back in order for Monday. Now to my room. This can get a little chunky, so let's get it together.
Then dip me underway. Fill your mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I can't believe I believe everything we have left. So young and naive of me to she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that in me you're a drink. Foolish of me to come back.
I like to reorganize my jewelry, usually by the type of metal that it is, and just put it back where it belongs. crazy. So I like to save that for last.
May not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this.
I love watching YouTube videos on Sundays, whether it be motivational videos, getting your life together videos, or just cute, girly chit chats. And Aaliyah's face is one of my faves right now.
There are times when I fall short. What I say all about. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me
Showers are great, but I love a good bath at least once a week. So today was that day. I lit one of my candles that I got from Bath and Body Works and just watched another R&B like playlist that I found on YouTube.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just at myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Always you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 time. Got tired of your shit, you almost took my life. Don't say one name. You'll continue to try to play this game. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home with no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 time. Got tired of your shit, you almost took your mind. Long stay on the name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home.
I do not like to cook dinner because I feel like I just cleaned up and now I have to clean up again after dinner. So I got my favorite tacos, and then I went to the gas station and got a bunch of like sweet treats. But this was dinner for tonight.
My vibe, keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around.
After my long skincare night routine, let me know if you guys want an in-depth routine. I'm doing these foot masks. It's supposed to help like peel off all the dead skin. So I'm trying this one out today and getting me a glass of wine to wind down for this Sunday.
To find someone like you, to find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been beating my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. If this is what you want.
I just started Being Mary Jane, so I'm just gonna watch an episode of that while I wait for this mask to sit for an hour.
I can chop it up, I'll meet to your guys. I paid you a bed for you to save the night. I hope in return you can save the life.
So this Aztec clay mask is something that I mix with apple cider vinegar, and I really don't use this often, but I just figured I might as well use it today.
Yeah. Taking a chance to get it right. I wanna sit tall until I die. So good. Yeah. Laying down all my heart for you. Loving you is all I wanna live for. Yeah. Live for. Live for. Is it about that? I don't see nobody else. Them niggas well, I don't wish them well. See if you can't tell. See the top end on my lips, I kiss it and I sip. I made you a bed for you to sleep the night. From the day that I saw you on a bliss, I trade the things of the world for you.
I hope y'all are having a great Sunday. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Taking a chance to get it right.